Macro photography on the iPhone 13 Pro. What is it? How does it work? And what do the images look like? Well, watch this video where I'll show you just some of the incredible images I've taken with this new feature. But first, if you haven't done so already, why not subscribe below? After all, it's free and it would be much appreciated. New to this year's iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max is macro photography, a new camera mode exclusive to the iPhone 13 Pro models, bringing the detailed world of close-up photography to iPhones for the first time. Apple have achieved this with their new ultra-wide camera lens, which can take images and video of objects just 2 centimeters away. And the results are stunning. To use camera mode on the iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, simply open the camera app on your phone. Select photo or video. Hold the camera close to the subject and it will automatically switch to the ultra-wide camera lens. Then move closer until you're happy with the shot. So there we are, macro mode on the iPhone. If you'd like to learn more about the difference between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro, then watch this video. And if you'd like to see my new iPhone 13 Pro Max review and unboxing, where I also look at the main differences between the Pro and the Pro Max, then watch this video. As always, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.